today I will mainly be trying to repair this panel. Whole corner needs doing, but I thought, I'm not really sure where to start if I was totally honest, because all the back of it, as you can see in there, is all rotten down the bottom edge, and the front, you can see here in the front, I had to cut this out, although a bit of it was sort of like filler anyway. I had to cut it out to get to a bolt, which was actually down here somewhere. I didn't really, well, a bit of hindsight, I could have not bothered really because it's so rusty. I thought I could have just ripped it off. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a go at just making this panel here, up to here, around here, and obviously go down to the bottom. Not sure how I'm going to get on. I've only got basic tools. Some of the panels I've been doing, I've been getting better and better. I've been doing sort of repairs here and there's loads on the inner seals, you can see there. There's loads in the back of the car. I'm sure if you've seen my videos, you've seen them all anyway. Don't want to bore you too much. So I'm going to have a go at doing this repair, but I've only got basic tools. I'll show you what I've got. Well, all I've got really is this bender. It's not the best one in the world because I don't know if you can really see on the camera now. When it does a bend, it doesn't do a nice tight bend. It's got like a curvy bend on it, and it's okay. I've done loads of work with it, but it's not. As you can see, it's all a bit floppy here and there, and then, you know, I don't know if you can see there. When you tighten it up, it moves quite a bit, and obviously that should be sort of fixed with that somehow. But anyway, this is all I've got. I've got that. I've got a welder, and I've got loads of hammers and things like that. So let's give it a go. Well, I'm not sure this is going to work, but I've already got a lot of options at the moment. That's a bit of luck. Actually worked, doesn't it? I'll have to give it a bit of a beating around to finish it off, but I don't think that matters too much. It's not exactly the same as the other one, but let's see. I'll go and quickly offer it up and see what happens. That's not too bad, is it? Well, I think it's about as good as it's going to get, I think. Not too bad. Just needs a bit of a clean up. Right. It's about it. It needs a bit good clean up and whatever. So I think, well, that's not a bad fit. Just need a little bit of fettling here and there. So that oval little bit there is not quite in the right place, but I don't think it makes a lot of difference. I think that's just where you can put a socket through to get one of the wing bolts. The bottom edge there is obviously don't exist anymore, so I've got to work on that. So I think I can actually just cut up there. The other bit I've got to do is I deliberately sort of left this overlapping quite a bit, so I can just mark it and cut it. Yeah, it's come out quite well actually. That little bendy thing there is a slightly different shape, but I've got a feeling the other ones over the years is just rusted away. Well, I didn't look to see it, but it's nice to get it sort of somewhere about right. And this edge here, I'm not sure it's got return on it. I think I'll get my finger out of the way, might be upset. I think when I do this piece in here, that'll have like an L-shaped piece on it, and that'll weld to that. So maybe that's the next piece to do. I'm not going to weld anything on yet. I think that's the next bit to do, is cut this piece here out. But I think the important thing is at the moment not to weld this bit on.